To enable a GoHenry child account, start by creating a parent account on the GoHenry website or mobile app. Go to the Sign Up page and fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent by GoHenry. Once your parent account is set up, you can add your child to the account. Click on the Add a Child option and enter your child's name and date of birth. You will also need to provide your child's email address if they are over 13 years old. Create a username and password for your child's account, or let GoHenry generate one automatically. Next, you need to set up the account settings, including the weekly allowance and spending limits. You can also set up chores and tasks for your child to complete to earn money. GoHenry allows you to customize the account settings to suit your child's needs and your parenting style. To fund your child's account, you need to link a payment method, such as a debit card or bank account. You can then transfer money to your child's account, which will be available for them to spend or save. GoHenry offers a range of features, including real-time spending updates and instant transfer of funds. To give your child access to their account, you can download the GoHenry mobile app on their device or have them log in to the website. Make sure to explain to your child how to use the account responsibly and safely. GoHenry also offers a range of educational resources to help your child learn about money management and financial literacy. As a parent, you can monitor your child's account activity and receive notifications when they make a purchase or complete a task. You can also use the GoHenry app to communicate with your child and provide guidance on money management. By following these steps, you can enable a GoHenry child account and help your child develop healthy financial habits from a young age.